It's 2020, nothing is too much in 2020.
Hi, I'm Morgane Martini, makeup artist.
I am Camila Costa and I am a model from IMG.
And I'm about to show you 3 makeup looks that you can try for New Year's Eve. This look is gonna be pretty easy, very much something that anybody can do without too much technique. I'm gonna start by applying some shimmer. This product is super easy to apply. Put it on and like dab with your finger using the same exact product. Now on the inner corner, I'm depositing it with the little brush just to have a little bit more control. I'm gonna jump straight to mascara. I already curled her lashes. The texture is very thin, so it really doesn't feel like you have anything on except just like the shine. I'm gonna apply it on the cheekbones, on the center of the nose. Be careful not to go too high up or too far down. It's literally just the bridge. A little bit on the Cupid's bow, a teeny bit on the chin. I'm gonna just add it over what I've already applied with my brush. This one I'm applying just on the cheekbones. I always start with the Cupid's bow, and then I come on the outer corner of the lip. So this is actually a painting brush, and I'm gonna take like this smallest amount of concealer to make my edges like real sharp. And we're gonna add this beautiful glittery gloss over it. And that's it for the first look. I'm gonna create a smoky eye over what she has, and then we're gonna tweak some on the lip. So I'm gonna start with the black pencil, and I like to apply it roughly on the lash line and then on the outer crease. Pencils are waterproof, so they blend really nicely, but it needs to be very fast. I'm gonna put it on the waterline. I like to put a little bit of intensity too on the inner corner. And in terms of intensity for smoky eye, build slowly the intensity. You don't want to put too much right away. So now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeshadow. This one is kind of like a taupey mauve eyeshadow. And I'm going to add it over what I just did with black. And what it's going to do is help me get an even like softer blend with a hint of color, but very subtle. Now we're gonna add even more glitter. I like to apply this one with my finger. It just allows me to have like a better control. And I'm gonna apply it just in the center of the eyelid. I'm gonna add a little bit of the product that I used for the first look, but I'm gonna put it literally just on the inner corner. And I'm not gonna blend it too much because I kinda wanna get that extra amount of shine. I'm gonna add some mascara. We're just gonna roughly go on the lash line and the crease. So you kind of create like a very soft smoke all around the eye. So I'm gonna go over this shadow with a powdered eyeshadow just to fix what I just created. Here comes the shine. I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelid, and I'm gonna blend it with my finger. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom as well. This one we're gonna put on brow bone, and I'm gonna use my finger as well. Just on the inner corner, I'm gonna use this eyeliner, and I'm gonna create just like a little V. Doesn't have to be too perfect. I'm gonna add even more mascara. So I'm gonna apply this highlighter right on the cheekbones and the temples. I am gonna apply just gloss. This one is just like a golden beige tone, just gonna complement what she's already having. And she's ready. So I hope you enjoyed those 3 New Year's Eve looks. Enjoy and have fun trying them, and Happy New Year! Bonne année à tous!
Feliz Ano Novo! Happy New Year!
Luscious blue.